What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Nyanumba Codes. I've been away for a minute. I know I've not recorded videos for quite some time, but I'm back and I'm better with more clarity and a clear mission for this channel. Just on the better part, I'm still getting over a bit of a flu, so if I sound a little bit off today, bear with me. I didn't want to delay this announcement any longer because I'm genuinely excited about what's coming. Starting next week and continuing until the end of the year, I'm launching a brand new weekly content structure right here on this channel. Mondays is going to be Build and Grow Mondays. I'm going to be focused on practical coding, Laravel tutorials, career strategies, and technical deep dives to help you sharpen your web development skills. Then we move on to Wednesdays, where we have Insightful Wednesdays. We'll talk about real-world tech issues where we have certain instances of different developments in the field and also in terms of the economy as well. So questions like why are there fewer women in tech? I'll give the full-on breakdown on the reasons that will cause that. There's the fall of development and web development in particular as a career path for guys who are venturing into employment, and the most important decisions solo developers have to make. And those are things that we're going to be covering inside Insightful Wednesdays, amongst other topics that will be a raging debate over the years. And then we'll have Think and Reflect Fridays, which is essentially a raw and honest space, which I will have a guest from time to time. But of course, the first few episodes, we're just going to be me and you. So a raw, honest space where we're going to be talking about mindset, we're going to be talking about purpose, and also the emotional journey of building software and businesses solo. So I'm opening up also, just on the side note as well, something that I need to also get off my chest. I'm also launching a personal code coaching, offering one-on-one and group mentorship sessions. So these ones will definitely vary. Of course, there'll be one-on-one sessions in different parts of the month. And then there'll also be group mentorship sessions where we will have different courses being offered in different cohorts in different times of the year. This is for anyone serious about to break through in web development, of course, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in the coaching programs, whether it's one-on-one or group mentorship sessions, click the description to register your interests. Definitely for the group mentorship sessions, spaces will be limited. Thanks again for your patience, ladies and gentlemen, while I look to step back and regroup, learn, and realign. Thank you so much for being patient with me and welcoming me back. And now I'm back. Now I'm going all in. So let's code, let's grow, and let's build something meaningful together, ladies and gentlemen. We have to be very meaningful. We have to be very impactful. We have to look towards the future. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'll bid you all a farewell. Please do indeed take care. And as always, God bless.